Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to review a Chanel bag. I already unboxed it. Stuff in this box is really simple, just a bag and the receipt. Is this the receipt? No. Gift card, you can write something to your friend, and then it's the bag. This is the bag. First of all, we see the dust bag. The dust bag is really nice. The quality is really nice. I think the quality is better than Gucci's dust bag. So this is the bag, the Chanel Gabrielle bag. The size is small, and the color, I think it looks like black, but the color is not black. I mean, come on, see it. The color is not black, it's like dark blue. When you look at the color inside your room, it looks like black, but when you go out and take photos in the sunlight, it looks like blue. I think this color is quite special compared to the classic black color and the white color, because white color is really easy to get dirty. And this color I think is really nice. The chain has 3 colors: white light gold and light silver, and also green silver color. And it's really special. When you look at this chain, it's like this part is silver, this part is gold. And also the zipper here. The zipper here is like Chanel logo here. It's really nice. It's green gold with the green silver color link. Let's open this bag. Inside is the paper, stuffed paper, more paper, more paper. There's like a key holder here. You can put your keys on it. So when you reach your key, you just grab this belt. It's really easy to take your keys. And inside this bag, I think it's also dark blue, because it's 8:30 now. It's 30 p.m. So I'm not sure what's inside the color. I think it's dark blue. And there's logo here. I don't know if you can see it because it's really, this bag is really small actually. This is the logo. These 2 codes are same. Each Chanel bag has an individual code which represents its original bag. And also inside this bag, this side pocket here, you can put some cards there, and also you can put your lipstick here. There's another side pocket here with a zipper, which you can put some important stuff, maybe your passport. If you are scared you might lose it, but it's like really small pocket, so might not be passport, but maybe some important stuff like keys or something. The leather of this bag, I'm not sure, I have to check. The material of this bag is CalfSkin with some wrinkles. The wrinkles on each bag might look different from another. And the price of this bag is like 2,950 pounds, which is quite expensive for such a small bag. I mean, it's Chanel, so I can understand the price, and I think the quality is really nice. And you can see here, actually, here, I forgot to show you guys the strap here. The strap has 2 studs, one is gold, one is silver. The quality is really nice. It feels expensive. It definitely feels more expensive than Louis Vuitton. The material feels like really soft. The bottom of this bag is smooth. It's really interesting. And on this side, you can also maybe put some accessories like key holder, like this, or something else, maybe something else from Chanel. I know it's like a very popular style. So many fashion bloggers, celebrities, they wear Chanel Gabrielle bag, either black color, white color, different textures, cloth, different leather. But however, for me, I think this bag is too delicate, because I am the kind of person that leave my bags on the floor and scratch it. I don't know, because I feel like it's really sensitive. I mean, I don't want to break it, but the leather feels really smooth and also feels really, delicate. So If I put it on the floor, it might have scratches, but it is a really beautiful design. I really love it. So I think this is today's video. If you like this video, please comment below, and if you like this bag, please also comment below and check the link down below. But however, I didn't find the link of this specific color because I think this one is like limited. When we go to the Chanel store, my friend asked staff, do they have Chanel Gabrielle bag, and the staff saw her wearing a Chanel bag, so the staff told her that they have special color. Thank you guys for watching today's video.